Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Mathematical biology is an interdisciplinary field that applies mathematical techniques and models to understand and describe biological phenomena. It bridges the gap between mathematics and biology, allowing researchers to use mathematical tools to analyze and make predictions about various biological processes, from the molecular level to ecosystems. It is a highly interdisciplinary field, drawing on knowledge from mathematics, statistics, computer science, biology, chemistry, and physics. Key aspects of mathematical biology include population dynamics. Mathematical models are used to study the growth, decline, and interactions of populations of organisms. This includes the study of predator-prey relationships, competition among species, and the spread of diseases within populations. Epidemiology. Mathematical models are essential in understanding the spread of infectious diseases within human and animal populations. These models help predict the progression of epidemics and assess the impact of interventions like vaccination or quarantine. Ecology. Mathematical models are used to study the dynamics of ecosystems, including the interactions between species, nutrient cycling, and the impact of environmental changes on biodiversity. Genetics and molecular biology. Mathematical techniques are applied to study genetic inheritance, gene regulation, and the dynamics of biochemical reactions within cells. Evolutionary biology. Mathematical models can help explain and predict evolutionary processes, such as the development of traits over time and the emergence of new species. Neuroscience. Mathematical modeling is used to study the behavior of neurons, neural networks, and brain function. It can also be applied to understand complex phenomena like the spread of neural signals and the dynamics of neural circuits. Systems biology. This field aims to understand biological systems as a whole, taking into account the interactions between various components, e.g., genes, proteins, metabolites, and their dynamic behavior. Mathematical modeling is central to systems biology approaches. Mathematical biology relies on a wide range of mathematical tools, including differential equations, statistical analysis, stochastic modeling, and computational simulations. Researchers in this field collaborate with biologists and other scientists to develop models that provide insights into real-world biological problems and help guide experimental research. Mathematical biologists use a variety of mathematical tools to model biological systems, including differential equations, stochastic processes, and graph theory. These models can be used to study a wide range of biological phenomena, such as the spread of diseases, the growth and development of organisms, the evolution of populations, the interactions between different species in an ecosystem, the design of new drugs and therapies. Mathematical biology is a rapidly growing field, with new applications emerging all the time. For example, mathematical biologists are playing a key role in the development of new strategies to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Here are some specific examples of how mathematical biology is being used to study and solve real-world problems. Epidemiology. Mathematical models are used to study the spread of diseases such as COVID-19, malaria, and HIV/AIDS. These models can be used to predict how diseases will spread in a population and to develop effective control strategies. Cancer research. Mathematical models are used to study the growth and spread of cancer cells. These models can be used to design personalized treatment strategies for cancer patients. Drug discovery. Mathematical models are used to screen potential drug candidates and to predict their toxicity and efficacy in humans. This can help to accelerate the drug discovery process. Conservation biology. Mathematical models are used to study the dynamics of populations of endangered species and to develop conservation strategies. Overall, Mathematical biology plays a crucial role in advancing our understanding of biological systems, improving disease control strategies, and addressing pressing ecological and environmental challenges. Mathematical biology is a powerful tool that can be used to study and solve a wide range of problems in biology and medicine. It is an exciting and rapidly growing field, with new opportunities emerging all the time. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.